As a leading 4K KVM over IP solutions provider, ATEN leverages its expertise to bring you its award-winning KVM over IP matrix solution, redefining control for the control room of the future. A comprehensive hardware and software total solution that includes KVM over IP extenders and the brand new intuitive matrix management software. Designed for today's and tomorrow's fast-paced, mission-critical, 24-hour control room environments. Set up a matrix of workstations across a network without distance limitations. Enjoy centralized management and real-time access with limitless flexibility and scalability. Featuring ATEN Real Visual technology to ensure the highest rate of video data integrity, providing you with an ultra-clear desktop console operation experience. Let's take a look at how to manage the system. You can manage, monitor, and configure your entire network via the intuitive CCKM dashboard. Connect transmitters and receivers with a simple drag and drop. Supports various customized video wall layouts for just right small-scale video walls. Enjoy the convenience of boundless switching between computers by moving the mouse across displays in any direction. Boundless switching guarantees an intuitive operation experience to boost your efficiency. Push and pull function enables computer access sharing for troubleshooting and collaboration. Even system maintenance is smooth and trouble-free. Quickly add a new device by copying and pasting the desired configuration. Instant device replacement by transferring all settings to a new device via a couple of clicks. ATEN KVM over IP matrix system, 4K over IP connectivity, designed for the control room of the future.